Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word committed. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She was committed to staying on track with her exercise routine. Committed means dedicated, loyal, and responsible. It implies a strong determination to follow through on promises or obligations. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.